Hello students, this is a part 2 chapter Resources and Development. First is resource planning. Resource which is predetermined to satisfy our present and future needs is called resource planning. Second, reserves. Resources which can be put into use with the help of existing technical know-how but their use has not been started. These can be caused for meeting future requirement. For example, forest. Land resources. We live on land, we perform our economic activities on land. We use it in different ways. हम इनको अलग अलग ways में use करते हैं. First is forest, second is land not for cultivation, third is fallow land, fourth is current fallow, fifth is culturable wasteland, sixth is net sown area. Then land degradation. Our land is becoming uncapable for many reasons. First, overutilization of pesticides, second, overgrazing, third, mining, fourth, deforestation. Then explanation. First, overutilization of pesticides. When we use more and more chemicals in field by which our land is becoming less fertile. Second is overgrazing. Overgrazing of land also leads to soil erosion. In many parts of India, hillsides have become barren because of overgrazing by goats and other animals. Mining. The process or industry for getting minerals, metals, etc. out of the ground by digging. खुदाई करके minerals और metals निकाले जाते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं mining. Deforestation. Cutting down trees over a large area. Next is land conservation. There are many ways of land conservation. First is minimum utilization of pesticide. Second, minimizing overgrazing. Third, make efficient effort to retain mining. Fourth, afforestation. Then classification of soil. First is alluvial soil. It is mainly found in northern plains of India. It is most fertile. It is very fertile for growing sugarcane. Alluvial soil are of two types. First is Khadar and second is Bhangar. Khadar soil is new or younger deposits of alluvial soil on the floodplains. This soil is renewed every year and more fertile than Bhangar soil. Bhangar soil is older alluvial soil. It is less fertile than Khadar soil. Second is black soil. These soils are black in color, also known as Regur soil. Black soil is ideal for growing cotton and is also known as black cotton soil. It is mainly found in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh. Third is red and yellow soil. Red soil develops on crystalline igneous rocks in areas of low rainfall in the eastern and southern parts of Deccan Plateau. Fourth is laterite soil. Laterite has been derived from the Latin word later, which means brick. The lateral soil develops in areas with high temperature and heavy rainfall. Fifth is arid soil. Arid soil is in red to brown in color. They are generally sandy in texture and saline in nature. Forest soil. These soils are found in the hilly and mountainous areas where sufficient rain forests are available. Next is soil erosion. The carrying away of soil from one place to another place by wind or water is called soil erosion. Causes of soil erosion. First is deforestation. Second is lack of knowledge about farming. Third is speedily running water. Then next is soil conservation. First is forestry. Second is contour farming. Third is terrace farming. Last, gully erosion. The carrying away soil from one place to another place due to speedily running water. Thank you and have a nice day.